Books and paperwork. Physical books and stacks of travel documents are items that many travelers regret bringing. While they can be comforting or useful, they add unnecessary weight and bulk to your luggage. Instead, consider digital alternatives like e-readers and smartphone apps that store everything in one compact device. Carrying heavy books can quickly become a burden, especially during long journeys with multiple transfers. An e-reader not only saves space but also allows you to carry dozens of titles without the extra weight. It's a simple switch that makes a big difference. Important paperwork like itineraries, maps, and tickets can also be digitized. Most airlines, hotels, and tour operators accept mobile versions of these documents, reducing the need for printed copies. For extra security, save backups to cloud storage or email them to yourself. If you prefer to keep a physical travel journal, opt for a small, lightweight notebook. Bulky planners or hardcovers take up precious space that could be used for more practical items.